Welcome back to another episode of the Sprinkler Nerd. Last week I had an opportunity to travel to Stamford, Connecticut, actually take the train from New York City up to Stamford, Connecticut to visit a green roof with Recover Green Roof. This is a really unique application. On this rooftop they have 3 zones of irrigation. One zone is a large sedum rectangle in the middle of the roof, and then across one side they have espalier Japanese maples, and then anchoring either end are beautiful euonymus bushes. And again, they have 3 zones, and then in each zone they have one soil moisture sensor. So the way this rooftop is set up is it's a water on demand application. So they've set a threshold moisture percentage, and then as soon as the moisture dries to that threshold, it waters for a time that is set on the control system, and then it maintains that rooftop exactly at that profile. So let's jump in and take a look.